Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color border shape in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add color to shape border in Photoshop. Now you can see then we show the shape. This shape in the color border. Now you can see then you going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now select from blending option and click from stroke. Now stroke from tick mark and the border size now choose from 13 and change the color. Now click from color option. Now choose from red color. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That it's. Now you can see add shape border color in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.